5 seconds to go. Start. The central government shall, within a period of 3 months from the date of this judgment, formulate a scheme pursuant to the powers vested in it under sections 6 and 7 of the acquisition of certain area at Ayodhya Act 1993. Stop. The scheme shall envisage the setting up of a trust with a board of trustees or any other appropriate body under section 6. Stop. The scheme to be framed by the central government shall make necessary provisions in regard to the functioning of the trust or body, including own matters relating to the management of the trust, the powers of the trustees, including the construction of a temple and all necessary, incidental and supplemental matters. Stop. Para. Possession of the inner and outer courtyards shall be handed over to the board of trustees of the trust or to the body so constituted. Stop. The central government will be at liberty to make suitable provisions in respect of the rest of the acquired land by handing it over to the trust or body for management and development in terms of the scheme framed in accordance with the above directions. Stop. Para. Possession of the disputed property shall continue to vest in the statutory receiver under the central government, until, in exercise of its jurisdiction under section 6 of the Ayodhya Act of 1993, a notification is issued vesting the property in the trust or other body. Stop. Para. Simultaneously, with the handing over of the disputed property to the trust or body under clause 2 above, a suitable plot of land measuring 5 acres shall be handed over to the Sunni Central Waqf Board, the plaintiff in suit 4. Stop. Para. The land shall be allotted either by, para, the central government out of the land acquired under the Ayodhya Act 1993, or the state government at a suitable prominent place in Ayodhya. Stop. Para. The central government and the state government shall act in consultation with each other to effectuate the above allotment in the period stipulated. Stop. The Sunni Central Waqf Board would be at liberty, on the allotment of the land to take all necessary steps for the construction of a mosque on the land so allotted, together with other associated facilities. Stop. Para. Suit 4 shall stand decreed to this extent in terms of the above directions, and the directions for the allotment of land to the Sunni Central Waqf Board in suit 4 are issued in pursuance of the powers vested in this court under Article 142 of the Constitution. Stop. Para. In exercise of the powers vested in this court under Article 142 of the Constitution, we direct that in the scheme to be framed by the central government, appropriate representation may be given in the trust or body, to the Nirmohi Akhada in such manner as the central government deems fit. Stop. Para. The right of the plaintiff in suit 1 to worship at the disputed property is affirmed subject to any restrictions imposed by the relevant authorities with respect to the maintenance of peace and order. Stop.